Hi, my name's Floyd Gibbs. I'm a trainer with Inspection Certification Associates. You're going into this for a new job, a new life for yourself and your family. Take it from an inspector that's been over 20 years and 19,000 inspections. I think it is absolutely, without a doubt, one of the best trades you could ever get into. I couldn't imagine being anything else but an inspector.
I am an electrician right now, and I can make a lot more money as a home inspector, and a friend turned me on to it and started looking into it. Just found a huge passion for it.
The rewards are amazing. You have the freedom to be with your family and to do the things that you want to do. You are helping out families get into a home. We're there to help them. Showing our passion and our experience to help them understand their home completely allows us to make very good money and a very good living for ourselves.
I've been in the construction industry my whole life, and I love to look at houses, and of course I've always learned how to pick out what's wrong with them. So this is going to give me more education to be able to pick out even more things and know what caused the problem. So I think it's pretty exciting.
Every day, even after 20 years of doing this, every day I learn something new.
Floyd is an excellent instructor. You know, you can easily see his passion, you can easily see how much he cares for his students, how much he cares for you just not to pass your exam, but for you to understand how things work so you can become a good inspector.
So many inspectors are needed right now. We're in high demand.
I have a background in contracting and a BFA in architecture, so I came to this with a decent amount of knowledge, but I've picked up a whole lot of stuff. The class has been very enjoyable, and I look forward to becoming a home inspector as soon as possible.
Our program, the way we have designed it, and all the people in the office and in the field, every bit of us are passionate about not only training you and preparing you for the exam, we're preparing you for a new life of yourself, to be a great inspector.
I've already got everything planned out, company name, everything going. I can't wait to get it started.
Work for myself and not somebody else anymore. That's the dream.
Start my own business, inspecting houses, and I plan to do that for as long as I can.
Join the family, the ICA family that is growing tremendously, because I guarantee you that the area that you live in, they need you. And we're here to help you be that person and help you be that great of an inspector.
If you like what you heard here and would like to enroll in our course, just go to www.icaschool.com or call us at 888-374-4096.